morning is a make something out of nothing morning, or as we like to call it, an if it's in the cupboard, if it's in the fridge, we'll make a meal out of it. This morning I think we're going to make a Croque Madame, but we'll do it with a little bit of a twist. The Croque Madame is a classic French ham and cheese toasty with an egg and slathered with a bechamel sauce. Make it right and it's a yummy mixture of texture, flavor and aroma that just makes you want to eat more of it. There are two parts to making this sandwich. The first is the bechamel sauce. This is a classic white sauce and is one of the 5 French mother sauces, so it's a great one to have in your repertoire. More on sauces in a few weeks, but today the equipment you'll need is a saucepan. I recommend a measuring cup, and you'll need a whisk. Ingredients for bechamel are basic pantry staples. Equal parts butter and flour, milk, salt and pepper, and some nutmeg. Today I have fresh, but pre-ground works just as well. Ingredients for the egg sandwich are a grab bag from the fridge, some croissant from the day before yesterday, an egg, some Gruyere cheese, Dijon mustard, and some leftover sliced ham. First up is the bechamel sauce. Make sure your milk is at least room temperature. If you want to warm it a little, that helps too. Start your pan over medium heat and melt the butter, being careful not to brown it. Whisk in your flour to make a roux. The trick here is to cook the flour but not burn it. You want a light color and not a dark roux for this. Keep whisking constantly for a couple of minutes, and when your roux is blonde, you can slowly add the milk. Keep whisking thoroughly and continue to cook for another couple of minutes. The sauce will thicken and you can season with salt, pepper, and also add nutmeg. If you wanted to make this a cheese sauce, now would be the time to add your grated cheese. Now go ahead and grate your cheese. To put the sandwich together, cut your croissant open and toast the inside on a skillet. If you're using sliced bread, you can toast one side of that also. Now pull the croissant from the pan and set it cut face up on the board. In the same skillet you just toasted the bread in, go ahead and fry your egg in some butter and season that with a little salt and pepper. While the egg cooks, it's time to assemble the croissant. Spread the toasted face with some mustard. Layer on your ham and follow that with some bechamel. On top of that, add the grated cheese. And finally, the egg goes on top of everything before you fold the sandwich closed. Transfer it to a plate, cover with a liberal helping of bechamel, and there you have a croissant Croque Madame. Makes for a great late breakfast or an early brunch. If you want more recipes made in an RV kitchen, you can subscribe to our channel, check out our other recipes on the web at rvkitchen.tv, and follow us on social media. Eat well and enjoy the road less traveled.